Designed to perform and built to last, our JLA 7 and 8 commercial washing machines provide exceptional wash quality while taking up minimal floor space. With a compact footprint but a large drum capacity of up to 8 kilograms, the JLA 7 and 8 come in 4 different models: the JLA 7U, 7P, 8P and the 8M. These great-looking machines feature a large door opening which make for easy loading and unloading. Compact, reliable and efficient, they're also incredibly easy to operate. The 7 and 8 washing machines are above all user-friendly, with useful functionality like the function stores for your most used cycles, as well as intuitive controls and light touch buttons. The washers are also energy efficient. The high G-force spin returns quicker drying times, whilst the double thermal insulated glass ensures maximum efficiency. Overall, this translates into 12% less water consumption than its predecessor, which means a reduced carbon footprint and lower utility costs for your business. The machines also feature our 3D washing system, which provides improved mechanical action, which is much kinder to fabrics and delivers optimal wash quality. What does this mean? Well, without getting too technical, the water is delivered into the drum through a scoop and drop mechanism. This ensures everything gets fully soaked. Then the drum design, which features a large concentration of small holes, kicks into action. This means quicker filling and faster draining. All our washing machines benefit from our superior build quality. The stainless steel tub and drum ensure durability and robust suspension for longevity of components and improved imbalance spins. The JLA 7 and 8 also comes with optional auto-dosing. Auto-dosing is our commercial laundry detergent dispenser, an automatic dosing pump specially designed for commercial washing machines, which will ensure you get the optimum measure of detergent in every wash. No more and no less than is needed for the best wash quality. To find out more about auto-dosing, watch the video we've created about it or get in touch.